In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fancy backgrounds in Figma. Let's jump right in and set up a simple eye-catching background you can reuse for headers, hero sections, or presentation slides. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. If you're prompted, sign in so you can access your workspace. From the home screen, click on All Projects to see everything you've been working on. Open the project where you want this background to live. If you're starting fresh, that's totally fine. Just create or open any file inside the project. With the file open, add a new frame, which will act as your background canvas. You can press the frame tool or choose a preset size like desktop, mobile, or presentation. Name your frame so it's easy to find later. A descriptive name like fancy background helps keep things organized. Next, add a base color. With the frame selected, look to the right panel under fill and choose a color that sets the mood. A soft neutral works great as a foundation, but feel free to use a gradient if you prefer a more dynamic base. You can always tweak this later. Now let's bring in some shapes. Click the shape tool and choose the ellipse. Click and drag on the frame to place your first ellipse. Holding shift creates a perfect circle, otherwise you can create an oval. Scale it up so it's nice and large. These shapes will become the soft glowing forms that make the background feel rich and dimensional. Add a few more ellipses to build variety. Vary their sizes and positions so they overlap slightly. This overlap is what creates depth once we add effects. Select each ellipse and pick different colors that harmonize with your base. Analogous colors, like hues next to each other on the color wheel, often blend beautifully. If any color feels too strong, lower its opacity in the right panel. With an ellipse selected, open the effects section in the right panel, click to add a new effect, and choose Layer Blur. This blurs the entire shape, turning it into a soft glow. Adjust the blur value until the edges feel silky and the color gently spreads. Repeat this for the other ellipses, balancing the blur amount so no single shape overwhelms the composition. Finally, tweak the arrangement. Move shapes around, reorder them in the layers panel if needed, and fine-tune color, opacity, and blur until the background feels cohesive. And that's it, a clean, fancy background ready to use across your designs.